Hi guys, welcome to DIY home and work projects. This is about replacing your shower head with one of these fancy big ones that have a conical connector. I just received this today from Amazon, and so I'm just going to install it. It's very simple. This is made out of brass. This is part of the hose. If you want to use the hose, this is the conical connector. This is the shower head, the main one. It's supposed to be fancier than the one I currently have. So just to put the pieces together here, so you got the shower head there. It's the new one made out of brass. It's the connector for the hose. And then in the box is, let's see, we have this bracket. This is where the hose can hook on and hang out there. And then we've got the tape. So this was a pretty good purchase because they gave me everything that I need. I don't have to go searching for different things, different parts to set this up. This all came in one box. And this is a little box that has some hooks and some rubber rings to tighten up all these connections. And then going back to the box, I have the hose. I'm gonna sit over here. So I got the hose, and got the extender. Most purchases, you have to buy the extender separately. You have to buy the hose separately, but this one came with, like I said, everything. And this is the connecting valve. So this is where the water pipeline coming into it, and then the hose going into it, then the extender going to the shower head. So it should be fun, but pretty easy to do. So my current shower head is this, very basic, nothing unique about it. It's very basic, nothing, no hoses, just that. So what I'm gonna do is replace that, connect my shower extender there, then my valve connecting all the different parts there. So this is gonna go out first, and then I'll wrap some tape around there before I add anything to ensure it's stable. So this is the old shower head that's gonna be replaced with what I just showed. As far as the tools that you need, probably this pliers, steps to ladder, a very basic wrench to unhook that current connection and tighten all the connections. So very basic, nothing too technical. So first thing, I got my wrench here, one of these that you can tighten. I clamped it on the current shower head, and I'm spinning it to unhook it essentially. So that's one of the first things you're gonna do, is take this off using one of these wrenches. I think a basic one should work too. All right, so the old shower head is off right here on my wrench. Removed it. Once it's off, I'm gonna clean this out, and I'll put that tape on, and then we'll put the valve connector, and then we should start rock and rolling. All right, so I've got my tape here. Of course, like I said, my package came with this tape. Some packages do not have this tape, so you have to purchase it separately, but it costs under $10. So that tape is going to go around this connector to ensure there's no water going out once we put the valve in place. So I'll wrap that around that pipe, and then we should be able to connect our valve. All right, so I got the tape over the valve, over the connector, and now I'm going to put that valve in place. All right, so this is the valve that I'll be using. Very basic, 3 connections, one going to the water supply, one going to the shower head / the extender, one with the hose, and then you've got this little knob that controls whether the water is going through the hose or going through the shower head. So this is going to go in here, But before I do that, see the bottom of the shower of this valve. There's a little ring that goes on the bottom. It is right here. So that is going to go on there like that, on the bottom. This is for my shower. This might be different for your shower. So we got that ring, the little rubber ring to ensure things are tightly screwed on. And essentially it's just a matter of connecting that and tightening it. The valve is on and it's securely installed. Now I'm going to connect my extender, put the shower head on and the hose, and then we should be good to go. So I just tightened this with my hand, but I'm also going to use my wrench to further tighten it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the extender. It's going to go into the valve that way, and actually more like this way, and then obviously at the bottom of that extender you have the rubber ring. It's already in place, so extender that way, and then shower head is going to connect to the extender. All right, the extender is in place. Now it's time to put the shower head on the extender. This is the shower head. Make sure there's a rubber ring in there to ensure it stays tight on. So we're gonna put that in place and we should be good to go. All right, the shower head is on. Now the only thing pending is the hoses. All right, got my hoses ready. There's two sides to it. This one goes to the connector. This one goes to the valve. And here the hoses. So we're gonna start with this end, obviously. This is going to the valve, and that is going to be right there. Right, so we're gonna get that set up and we should be good to go. That end of the shower head is connected. And now we're gonna connect this shower head, the handheld one, onto the hose, and then we should be good to go. All right, looking good so far. So the handheld shower head is connected to the hose. Now we just need to find a place where we can hang this handheld hose or handheld shower head. Obviously comes with some adhesive hook that you can put on the wall of the shower, which is what we're going to do. But obviously you want to make sure that the shower walls are clean before you hang it on there. That way it doesn't come off. So hose is ready to go. Shower head is all set. Connectors are in place. Now we just need to find a place to hang our handheld shower head. So I'm gonna clean the walls of the shower and then get my connector and place it somewhere, probably like in the middle. All right, okay. All right, the adhesive bracket is on the wall, stuck to the wall, and now we can hang our handheld shower head right there. All set. So all this could have taken about a good 30-minute project. You should be all set. So here we are, I have a new shower head, a new handheld shower head, hoses, and an extender. Perfect. All right, that's the shower running now. As you can tell, there's some water dripping here, which just means that needs to be tightened up. All these connections need to be tightened up. And that's dripping showing sticks. We're going to stop, unlock it, unscrew it, put more tape, and then be back in business. All right. Looks like a much better experience compared to our trial shower. And let's see if I can try that. Alright, that's not it. you go. All right, guys, so this is a wrap. Everything's working correctly. Just a few caveats. Make sure to tighten the valve before adding any of the other connections. That's critical. Make sure it's airtight so that it's not moving at all. And then when you connect the extender to the valve, make sure that that's also tight. And then that way you're not having to adjust your shower head towards the end. So make sure these two pieces are tight, they're correctly positioned, and the extender is in its correct location. That's the only thing that I noticed, because if these things are not tight, water will start leaking out. And the other thing is, in my shower, we have this container where we put this little rack where we put all our shampoo and all that good stuff. Previously, it was hanging on top of the shower connection, water outlet connection. But this company that we purchased this shower set thought of everything. I mean, when I say they thought of everything, they give you the tape, they give you these little hooks, which you can use for your little basket where you keep all your shampoo and conditioner. So I didn't have to go to Home Depot to purchase these. These came in the box. So this is a good purchase. It was for a pretty good decent amount. It was under $100, but everything that I needed to set this up and get it working was included in the box. So highly recommend it. All right, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.